Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We've got a lot done. This day's about over, so let's get started with the details of what we gotta do. All right, we've filled our silage for what we need right now because the cows aren't coming until late. We've got some heifers and calves, so we're not going to be feeding a whole lot. The plan is to put oats out there. We've changed some equipment around in barns. One, we're not ACO no more. We're all Case Internationals. Reason being is I had a lot more of equipment of that, and it didn't seem to have a leg somewhere. The shop that I had there, I just walked through, had a calf barn running, right? It lagged things down too, so I bought a calf barn here for the calves that were going to be in there and turn that into cold storage shop thing. We still got the heifers and stuff over there. We do have one more international over there, so we've done that. It's made my game run a little bit better, so that barn I was using was the barn that was causing that. So we're going to jump in the old Dodge flatbed over here. I kind of like that truck. We got a planter to fill that we're going to plant grass seed in the morning. I'm hoping for a corn planter to come out before I start planting, because yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot I have cat food here. Huh. Okay. Baler stuff. Oh, this thing of chemicals. I gotta put with the other one. I get it. Yep. Let's do that now while we're thinking, because the shop over here is where crop stuff would be. And I'll take that jug of silage and well, I will, I guess. That needs to be heavier stuff. That's what I consider heavier. So let's go add seed to the planter. We're gonna have another hay field. I got the tractor already out to Tet in the morning. We worked up all the straw fields. Got all the silage chopped done. So yeah, we're getting some things accomplished for sure. Hopefully we can tet and rake and make hay tomorrow. Got the wheat field planted today. Whoa! Hey, just learning to drive. This field up here on the other side of the track, we just got the wheat planted in. That one right there. And of course there's my hay field. I'm all over the place showing you guys stuff. Don't mind me. It's been a long day. Wow. Almost 7 o'clock at night? No. Yeah, almost 7 o'clock at night. And be darned. I think after we fill this up, we're gonna meet. I'm gonna. Wow, I'm just having all sorts of problems this morning. We will probably. I'll give phone calls to everyone. We'll meet them at the diner. We'll have dinner there instead of having to cook. And yeah, there's the filled with chop. And go from there. Chores are done. Yeah. So once we get back here, the field's back here behind the trees. And this is probably going to be the first time I'm going to cross a pickup truck back here. It's going to be more than once. It's going to happen. I know that. But yeah, just wait till you see what I'm talking about. See what I mean? So let me get back to you guys after I get this tossed in, loaded, and gone from there. Alright, that is done for in the morning. I'll probably drop someone off there to plant. I made some phone calls and told them all to meet me at the diner down the road from the farm. We're going to have dinner there instead of at home. I'm, you know, all through August, so far here in September, we've all worked hard. So the whole family, the helps and everyone. So I'm gonna treat them. Morale in this kind of business is a good thing to have. Because you have long days. And we've had some long days and some crazy days and days that are going to be longer. So we're trying to keep their spirits up because harvest season's just around the corner. We may not have what we normally have for crops to run, but we're going to be busy. We're going to be busy. So yeah. And then we're going to have fields to prepare for, well, I'm going to plant oats in one of the fields over there that I ran wheat on. And then yeah, hopefully we're going to get some dairy cows here soon. You know, all that income will start happening. So yeah, we're doing good. You know, we're still sitting pretty good with money. Haven't spent too much of it. So yeah, everyone, the dairy plant here has already got a hold of me saying, hey, they're thinking about getting into the lactators too. And I said, yep. And he said, well, let us know and we'll get you on the pickup. So that's good. They're all getting wind of what's coming down the pipe. So, well, guys, once I meet everyone in here, looks like they're all here. We're going to have dinner, and we'll probably see you in the morning. We're not going to be doing much more tonight, so we'll see you in the morning after dinner, and we get some sleep. Morning, guys. It rained overnight, which didn't rain that much. So let's get out here and check the animals. And go from there? It does look good out here. Gonna be a little bit cloudy, but a day that we could probably get things done. So let's check these guys. We've got feed in there. We got to empty silage out of that. They're still good with what they have. We're running brown Swiss, guys. If you haven't noticed. We are running brown Swiss. Whoa. What happened? Must have bumped something. Calves look good. Yeah, they're pretty good. Gotta get some straw in there. So that's a job later today. We're gonna move this, because this typically is for the logging business. We'll use it over here too. So I used it to go pick up stuff with the gooseneck, and we're gonna. They never did shut the doors over here, which is fine. I have motion sensors over here, so if someone would have decided they wanted to help themselves, it would have been a little more difficult. Hey, did I get on the fence? Yeah, I did. Alright, we'll just park it right here until we'll probably work some of this later today, maybe. I think the skid steer's back there starting to open up. We've got a lot of logins we want to try to do. It'll be money we can get, so if we get what farm work done that we want to get done today, we will be logging later on, of course. So everyone's good, so I've got take someone out the plant, and then oh no, he wants to teddy. Okay, we're gonna get someone tedding the hay this morning. Once they're here, I mean, not everyone shows up till about 9 o'clock, so I'll probably start planting grass seed this morning. Most of my help comes in at 9. They, I know work, depends on the day, 9, 8 o'clock. Told them all to come in a little later this morning. We weren't pressing too much for a lot of things to get done, so I figured I can plant, and then one of them can ted as I get the baler ready, kind of thing. And torn with the fact, boy, I can't drive. Torn with the fact of getting another tractor, cabless tractor for baling. I may have to look in that here while I'm letting Ford warm up. It's the only thing we have that's not an AGCO product per se. But I love the Ford. I love planting with it. So does everyone else. So does everyone else. But yeah, my goal is the video after this to be logging. even if it's just getting them from the woods to the tree holders and stuff. I've got some. I've got to run through the chipper now, just trying to get in there to get the trees and stuff. Debating if we're going to plant some to harvest. That's still up in the air. But yeah. Hey, my tractor from yesterday's still here. Let's just pull this. Over here. See, we've got some trees here. We might end up coming back in here eventually. Beautiful morning out. Let that thing warm up. It's definitely cold nature. Make sure all this is still good. Yep, we're still good there. But this isn't a very big field, as you can see. It's barely 3 acres. Well, the field itself is only 3 acres. We own just 10 here, so all those trees on the back side, we might start removing to either one, make it bigger, or two, something else. Part of me, with the trees that we're going to be maybe getting a pasture in there for cows. I'm on. One of these times I'll get used to planting without being on the inside, but till then, we're gonna do it this way. Alright, let's lift that up. Double check everything here. Yep, it's doing good for planting. So, we're gonna get this done. We're gonna get hay done. And we may start with the logging business, because it's going to get to the point where we start wanting trees to make stuff, or, you know. But anyhow, I'm going to call this an end of the video. Hope you guys enjoy what I've been doing so far here on North Carolina Dairy. We'll see you at the next one. Have a great rest of your weekend.